Hello, English 202 classmates. I selected this poster by Dick Williams. It was put together, as it shows on the bottom right, for the U.S. Department of Agriculture. It caught my eye because of the expression on her face. Here's a woman who would be considered probably a pretty typical um, housewife of the time. She is a Caucasian, and she looks very well put together, which I have to say. Um, there is a plain background. She looks, I wouldn't say completely proud. She looks a bit overwhelmed, if I'm being, you know, that's what I see in it. She looks overwhelmed. She obviously has a lot going on. I mean, here we see jars of things that have been canned and pickled, and there is quite the range. I see greens, I see different fruits, and possibly even a grain on the bottom right that is only partially showing. This is being used to create the sense that there is a lot of preparation that needs to occur. But all those efforts are rewarded because this is a way for a woman to fight famine, to have the sense of food security, and it can be done on her own by canning food at home. So this exclamation at the top, am I proud? And it's in red, it's bold, it is a statement. And so I believe this was the statement that was being recommended for women to make, that they could definitely take matters into their own hands, literally by using their abilities to can and to have a sense of self self-worth, and also just personal ability. In what we know, there was a lot of rationing that occurred during this time. So although today we definitely depend on markets for our food, during this time, that responsibility, from what I'm seeing here, was being put back onto the homemaker, back onto the people, to say, you need to take care of this, because if you don't, you know, that there is definitely an issue there. So definitely I see that the angle is one of, the view here is very personal, right? So you're just at the same level as this woman. It's not abstract. It's very much to the point. I think an audience member, this would really be for women. I imagine it'd probably be in spaces that they would be seeing it. So I think this was definitely something that would be used either for women or children, or people who were in normal day-to-day spaces, and it would be used to create a sense of ownership, again, like I said already. And it would be, civilians, probably could appeal to a great age range, and even older women would still be taking this as a call to action to put their efforts towards this, just canning food at home, making themselves useful at home. Thank you.